Looking to organize loose change effortlessly? The best coin sorter wrapper makes counting and wrapping coins quick and hassle-free, saving you time and effort. Ideal for home, office, or business use, it keeps your coins neat, sorted, and ready for deposit. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Cassida Coin Sorter Wrapper. The Cassida Coin Sorter Wrapper is designed in California and built for speed, reliability, and precision, making it a must-have for anyone dealing with large volumes of coins. Its impressive hopper capacity of 2,000 coins means you can sort and count significant amounts at once, and with a speed of 300 coins per minute, it saves valuable time while delivering exceptional accuracy. What sets this model apart is its innovative rolling system. Unlike traditional coin counters where you must remove the tube to load each wrapper, the Cassida C300 features quick-load coin tubes, allowing you to easily swap out a full roll with the next wrapper already waiting at the bottom of the tube. This design streamlines the process, reducing interruptions and keeping your workflow smooth and efficient. With a package weight of 8 pounds, it feels sturdy and durable without being overly cumbersome. An added bonus is its printing capability. When paired with the optional Cassida thermal printer, sold separately, you can generate detailed receipts for daily counts, making it incredibly convenient for bank deposits or meticulous record keeping. Perfect for businesses like retail stores, restaurants, or even home use for those who want to manage loose change effectively, the Cassida Coin Sorter Wrapper is an investment in efficiency. From its fast performance to its smart design and optional printer support, it delivers a professional-grade solution for anyone tired of manually sorting and rolling coins. The Cassida Coin Sorter Wrapper is a fast, reliable, and accurate solution for handling coins. With a 2,000 coin hopper and speed of 300 coins per minute, it saves time for businesses and home users. Its quick load tubes make swapping wrappers seamless, while optional printer connectivity allows detailed receipts for easy record keeping. Durable yet easy to use, the Cassida makes sorting and wrapping coins efficient, organized, and ideal for busy cash handling environments. Number 2. Nadex S540 Pro Coin Sorter Wrapper. The Nadex S540 Pro Coin Sorter Wrapper is a business-grade powerhouse for coin counting, sorting, and wrapping, built to handle heavy use in retail, banking, and other high-transaction environments. Simply pour your coins into the generous hopper, press start, and watch as the machine automatically counts, sorts, and organizes your coins with precision. It supports U.S. denominations including dollars, quarters, dimes, nickels, and pennies. The clear digital display shows both the count and total value for each coin type in real time, giving you a detailed overview of your cash flow. One standout feature is its one-touch batch setting with auto stop, which prevents overfilling when wrapping coins, a convenience that saves time and avoids messy spills. For flexibility, the machine allows custom batch settings, enabling simultaneous use of coin trays and tubes, meaning you can wrap certain denominations while collecting others in trays. Included in the package are 48 pre-formed coin wrappers, so you can start rolling coins right away. With a hopper capacity of up to 2,000 coins and bin capacities ranging from 300 to 900 coins depending on denomination, the Nadex S540 Pro handles volume with ease. This model is perfect for businesses or organizations that process a lot of change daily, but it's just as useful for personal use if you're serious about organizing coins efficiently. Combining speed, accuracy, and ease of use, the Nadex S540 Pro Coin Sorter Wrapper delivers on every front. The Nadex S540 Pro delivers professional-grade coin counting, sorting, and wrapping in one powerful machine. Supporting all U.S. coins, it features a hopper capacity of 2,000 coins and a clear display for totals. One-touch batch settings with auto stop prevent overfilling, and included coin tubes make rolling coins effortless. Perfect for businesses, it also allows custom batching for simultaneous tray and wrapper use. Speed, precision, and convenience make a top choice. Number 3. Nadex Coin Sorter Wrapper. The Nadex Coin Sorter Wrapper is an all-inclusive kit that makes handling coins simple and stress-free. Designed for U.S. coins, it efficiently counts, sorts, and wraps pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters into dedicated tubes for easy rolling. The machine's digital display shows the total coin count and the value of each denomination as it works, giving you a clear and instant view of your progress. What makes this model especially convenient is its auto stop feature. When a roll is full, it stops automatically, preventing overflows and wasted wrappers. Just press start, Pour in your loose change, and watch as the machine does all the tedious work for you, saving you hours you'd otherwise spend counting and sorting by hand. It comes with 4 coin tubes for pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters, and starter pre-formed coin wrappers so you can begin rolling immediately. While it's not designed for foreign or damaged coins, it handles standard U.S. currency flawlessly, making it ideal for home use, small businesses, and community organizations like schools or clubs that handle fundraising change. The Nadex coin sorter wrapper isn't just a machine, it's a time saver, turning what used to be a boring, manual chore into a quick, organized process. The Nadex coin sorter wrapper simplifies counting and organizing coins. Just press start, and the machine sorts pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters into dedicated tubes, stopping automatically when rolls are full. Its digital display shows total value and denomination counts, saving time and effort. With included tubes and starter wrappers, it's ready to use immediately, perfect for homes, small businesses, or organizations needing an easy, accurate way to turn loose change into wrapped rolls. Number 4. Kolibri Coin Sorter Wrapper. The Kolibri KCS 2000 coin sorter wrapper is an all-in-one business-grade solution for counting, sorting, and rolling coins. Whether for home or professional use, this machine simplifies everything. You just pour coins into the hopper, press start, and it automatically counts, sorts, and wraps them. The LED display clearly shows the total value counted, and with the report function, you get a breakdown by denomination, which is helpful for deposits and record keeping. Built for U.S. coins, pennies, nickels, dimes, quarters, and dollars, it sorts into trays or directly into wrappers using included coin tubes. The one-touch batch setting with auto-stop prevents overfilling, while custom settings let you simultaneously wrap some denominations and collect others in trays. Counting at 220 coins per minute and holding up to 2,000 coins in a hopper, it's fast and efficient, ideal for businesses like laundromats, vending operators, or retail shops. Bin capacities range from 130 to 900 coins depending on denomination, meaning fewer interruptions to empty trays or change wrappers. With its durable build and versatile functionality, the Kolibri KCS 2000 takes the hassle out of handling coins, making it an excellent investment for anyone managing large volumes of loose change. Number 5. Handnam Coin Sorter Wrapper. The Handnam Coin Sorter Wrapper is a versatile, all-in-one machine that simplifies every aspect of handling coins. Designed for U.S. denominations, 1 cent, 5 cents, 10 cents, 25 cents, and $1, it counts, sorts, and wraps with speed and precision, processing up to 270 coins per minute. This efficiency is matched by its generous hopper capacity of 500 coins and drawers that hold up to 50 to 300 coins depending on denomination, meaning you won't need to constantly stop to empty trays or reload. Operation is incredibly easy. Just pour coins into the hopper, press start, and the machine gets to work, displaying the total value and count on its LCD screen. It also features a one-touch batch setting and automatic stop, preventing overfilling and keeping the process smooth. This machine is especially valuable for businesses like restaurants, gas stations, coin laundries, vending operations, and supermarkets, but it's just as handy for anyone at home who's tired of sorting coins manually. By combining accuracy, speed, and convenience, the Handnam Coin Sorter Wrapper makes managing coins efficient and hassle-free, turning what used to be a tedious chore into an effortless task. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.